Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best travel manicure set is probably one of the most essential grooming accessories for the modern man on the go, ensuring you always look and feel your best, no matter where your adventures take you. This video will cover everything you need to know before buying one, helping you choose the perfect travel manicure set to suit your needs and preferences. Number 5. Aceoce Men's Manicure Set. This comprehensive kit is designed for the modern man who values personal grooming. It includes everything you need for perfectly manicured hands and feet, all in a convenient travel case. It features 7 high-quality stainless steel tools, each carefully crafted for precision and durability. These versatile tools can be used for hand, foot, and even facial care. This stylish and functional set makes a thoughtful gift for any man in your life. The elegant black case with a striking red interior is sure to impress. Its compact size and lightweight design make it the ideal travel companion. Easily slip it into your bag or suitcase and maintain your grooming routine wherever you go. The tools are made from premium stainless steel, ensuring exceptional sharpness and longevity. They're designed to effortlessly handle even the toughest nails. What we like. It's a multi-purpose kit with 7 tools for hand, face, and foot care. The stylish case makes it a great gift for any man. If you're looking for a versatile and presentable grooming kit, this is the one for you. Number 4. MANSCAPED Shears 2.0 Kit. Upgrade your grooming game with the all-new MANSCAPED Shears 2.0. This luxury kit is designed for the modern man who values precision and style. Inside, you'll find 4 meticulously crafted tools, tweezers, scissors, clippers, and a nail file. Each is made from durable, tempered stainless steel. It's built to last. The corrosion-resistant stainless steel ensures these tools will be a part of your grooming routine for years to come. The compact, premium PU leather case keeps everything organized and protected, making it ideal for travel. Take your grooming routine wherever you go. With Shears 2.0, achieving perfectly groomed nails is effortless. It's the ultimate manicure and pedicure kit for the discerning gentleman. Manscaped is committed to providing superior products that empower men to feel confident and healthy. Shears 2.0 is a testament to that commitment. What we like. This luxury kit features durable, tempered stainless steel tools. It comes in a premium case, perfect for travel. If you appreciate quality and a compact design, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Clippers are good and sharp. This is a very good set for maintaining personal hygiene on the go. Easy to use with a nice magnetic case keeps everything clean and compact. The tools work well and are built with quality stainless steel. Very nice travel packaging, everything fits like it's supposed to. Very happy with my purchase and hope this lasts as it looks like it should. Pick this over others as the packaging looks sturdy and functional. Number 3. OKOM Manicure Set. This comprehensive kit contains everything you need for a perfect manicure and pedicure. It's perfect for both men and women. It is made from 100% surgical-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and sharpness. The non-slip handles provide a comfortable and secure grip. The sleek, portable case is easy to open and close securely. Take it with you wherever you go. This stylish and elegant set makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion. It's perfect for friends, family, or even yourself. We're confident you'll love this set. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a full refund. Use it at home, in the office, or while traveling. It's the ultimate travel essential. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes 10 tools made from high-quality surgical steel. It's beautifully packaged, making it a perfect gift. If you need a complete set with superior materials, this is your best option. What people say. Has all of the tools I need. Clippers are sharp. Exactly what I was needing and comparable to the price for just one of these tools if you were to buy them individually. Honestly, much better quality than I was expecting. These are great and will be long-lasting. Nice manicure set and durable. Fast shipping. Number 2. MR.GREEN Manicure Set. This 8-in-1 set has everything you need for daily personal care. It's perfect for keeping your nails and skin looking their best. This kit includes a nail clipper, oblique clipper, toenail clipper, scissors, nail file, tweezer, blackhead remover, and ear pick. Everything you need in one convenient place. It's made from medical-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and lasting sharpness. You can trust it to stay rust-free and perform flawlessly. The high-quality PU leather case is beautifully crafted, making it a pleasure to own and use. It's as elegant as it is practical. It's ideal for personal use, or as a thoughtful and elegant gift for friends and family. They'll appreciate the quality and attention to detail. Get everything you need for perfect nails and skin in one luxurious set. It's a worthwhile investment for your personal care routine. What we like. This kit boasts 8 tools in a beautifully crafted PU leather case. It's perfect for personal use or as a thoughtful gift. If you value both functionality and aesthetics, this is the one for you. What people say. From the great-looking and functional case to the tools themselves, Mr. Green delivers in spades. I've never owned clippers that cut through my thick, woody fingernails like hot butter, and I no longer have to soak my feet for a half hour just to trim my toenails. These pups are high quality, razor sharp and get the job done in a New York minute. The nanoglass file is great for smoothing out the rough edges on my nails, and note both clippers have a nanoglass file built into them as well. The set is well made and the tools are very sturdy. The case is well made with a nice heavy zipper. I love the fact that all of the tools you need for a manicure are in one convenient location. Number 1. ZIZZON 9-in-1 Manicure Set. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for perfect nails. It's designed for both home and travel use, making it the perfect addition to your beauty routine. It's made from premium stainless steel, carefully polished for a smooth, shiny finish. This ensures it's durable and resistant to rust, lasting you for years to come. The blades are precisely sharpened for a clean, even cut every time. Say goodbye to jagged nails and hello to perfectly manicured fingertips and toenails. The travel case makes it easy to take with you wherever you go. It's compact enough to fit in your purse or luggage, perfect for travel or keeping in your bathroom. It's a thoughtful gift for any occasion. With everything from toenail clippers to tweezers, it's a complete kit for all your personal care needs. For optimal hygiene, it's best to have your own personal nail care kit. Remember to store it in a dry place after each use. What we like. This kit offers 9 high-quality tools with precisely sharpened blades for a smooth cut. The portable case makes it perfect for travel. If you prioritize precision and portability, this is the kit for you. What people say. Sharp clippers that contain the nail clippings rather than allow them to fly off in any direction. My husband has tough nails and he loves these tools. They are sharp. The clippings stay in the catcher. They are comfortable while using and feel well made. The glass nail files are a great addition that has a surface that will probably last forever. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.